important part of most scientists, psychology included, is measurement, which is defined as the assignment of numbers to objects or events according to certain rules. So we are all familiar with measurements of physical scales, length, time, temperature, and such like things. So measurement in psychology is often more difficult than it is in sciences like physics and chemistry, because many of these things that psychologists study cannot be measured directly by physical scales. So what are the evaluations or the yardsticks of happiness? How can you measure happiness or friendship, for example? So even though many behaviors are difficult to measure, psychologists have devised many ingenious tests that will assign numbers to them. So you can often design your experiments and arrange out object observations so that you can use these physical measures of space and time to tell us about psychological events. For example, you can count the number of times that a person behaves in one way or situation and another way in another situation, or you can measure the time taken to make a response in the situation or another. So your application of psychology is where this all comes in. It has another side to it called the applied side, and that's used to solve your real life problems. So an application of this knowledge to practical problems is an act. It is a skill, and there's a certain knack for doing things. All this is acquired by study, practice, and special experience. So the psychotherapist talking to a worried client, the education psychologist advising a school board on a new curriculum, the clinical psychologist supervising group therapy in a state mental hospital, and the social psychologist trying to lessen tensions between management and workers in a large industry. These are all people or examples of how the art of psychology is being practiced.